I am representing the Palestinian Environmental NGO Network, a member of Friends of the Earth International. June 2022 marks 55 years of Israeli military occupation and 15 years since Israel's illegal blockade of the Gaza Strip. Over the decades of occupation, Palestinians have systematically been deprived of their land and natural resources. Palestinians living in Area C, which covers 64% of the West Bank, are forbidden from any form of construction or development. Israel controls over 85% of groundwater resources in the West Bank. Palestinians are prevented from accessing most of their water springs, whether by settlers or by the occupation designating lands as military areas, firing zones, or even natural reserves. Meanwhile, natural resources are exploited by the occupation for its benefit and that of transnational corporations and business enterprises in illegal Israeli settlements in violation of international law. Furthermore, the occupation continues to illegally exploit Palestinian fossil fuel resources, unfortunately only made possible through the complicity of some in the international community, as evident by joint fossil fuel and energy projects with the occupation. There is no doubt that the Israelis' policies regarding natural resources in the occupied Palestinian territory is in reality systematic looting and destruction of Palestinian resources, which amounts to war crimes. As a result of the blockade and restrictions on the entry of essential materials, the Gaza Strip's 2 million inhabitants lack access to clean water supply and sewage treatment. We call on the international community to put in action mechanisms to implement international law and to end the occupation's impunity.